Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with the More, and today's Simple Stamping and Paper Crafts, and I am going to share how to create this quick and easy treat pocket. And it's so simple, and look how pretty it is with this laser cut paper right here. These are actually note cards, and I just turned it into a little pocket. And so it's very quick and easy. And I love the sentiment on here, but you can use this for anything. But the sentiment is from the Praiseworthy Prose, and I'm going to show you right here. This is it in the catalog on page 109. It does come as a bundle with these letters here, and you can see they used them in here too. I love these letters, and I have used this already before. But you can definitely get the stamp set on its own. But it has everything from friendship, bundle of joy, way to go, cheerful, family, celebrate, and grateful. And I have used the family before also. But it is really a neat bundle. And then the cards that we're using for this is the Bird Ballad laser cut cards in tin. And it comes like this. And it is meant to use with the Bird Ballad stamp set and bundle. But you don't have to use it for that. Definitely think out of the box. This is what they are, and they're so pretty. But it comes with the little tin and everything, and it has envelopes as well, so you can make cards with it. But I love this laser cut, and I thought that would make a really cute treat pouch. So that's what I did with this one. And it really looks, it's very vanilla, so it really looks nice with like the deeper colors. So today we're going to use Night of Navy, and we're going to just change it up a bit, but it's super, super cute. All right, so let's get started. So you do need a card base, this laser card base right here, and then you just need a piece of cardstock, whatever color you'd like, but I'm doing Night of Navy this time, and it's 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and it is as simple as attaching it to this. I'm going to use wet glue for this part because this is very narrow, so it's going to be easier just using wet glue all the way around it. And even you can, if you have kids, they can even do this. It's really, really quick and easy, but these are really elegant looking treat holders. So I think they'd be cute for like a tea, or even just a thinking of you for a friend. So we're going to attach this here. And I like the wet glue also because you can move it around until you get it exactly where you want, because you want it evenly covered. And of course, I'm going to wipe that glue off, but it's going to dry clear. Now I need to wipe my fingers off really quick. That's the only thing about wet glue that I don't like, is it always gets on my fingers. So there's the front of it. Isn't that pretty with the Night of Navy on it? All right, so the next part we're going to do is we are just going to put adhesive on 2 of these sides, and I'm going to use tear and tape because you want this to stay and hold. So I'm just going to use tear and tape right along the edge there, and then along the bottom. Super, super easy. And you can make a bunch of these. I can't remember how many come in that package. I'll look it up and I'll put it in the video to let you know how many are in there. So let's remove this backing. And that folded over on itself. Alright, and then you're just going to lay this down. Sorry, my doggie is barking, but sometimes she hears my husband going outside and she wants to go out with him. She's such a silly thing. And so then we have our little pouch there. So I'll just go ahead and grab that candy I had in the other one because I don't have another one right by me. I can put it in like that. And then for this one, I'm going to use this denim 3/8 inch ribbon because I thought it'd be really cute with this. And we're just going to tie a knot. I'm going to go ahead and color it, or cut it, not color it. I have coloring on my brain because I just finished coloring for a project that I did. This denim really looks cute with this Night of Navy. And we're just tying a bow there, or a knot. You can tie a bow though. I probably had enough to tie a bow on there. I cut a little bit too much. And then we're just going to grab a piece of scrap. Very vanilla, because this is very vanilla right here. And then I'm going to use some Night of Navy. And we're going to use the Friendship again. And I probably should have cut out my piece before, but it's okay. We'll just go ahead and bring the big shot up here. I am using the stitched shapes. Boy, I can't talk today. And I'm using the oval for this one, so I'm going to scoot that out of the way just a second. This will be really quick to run through on the big shot. So we're going to put that on here. And if you have a punch or anything that you like to use, you can use that. I love the stitching, especially with this, because it's a little fancier. And then what I did for this one is I just added some adhesive, and we're just going to glue it. I'm just using some snail, and we're just going to attach it right underneath the ribbon, like that. Super quick and easy. Isn't that cute though? It's really pretty with the different colors on the background. So you can make whatever color you like, but it would be cute too for like a bridal shower, or you know, even a baby shower. It'd be cute. You can use the baby sentiment off of there. It'd be really cute. So I hope you enjoyed it today. It's really quick and easy, and it's really fun. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. I do simple stamping and paper crafts on Tuesdays. So if you are a beginner stamper, or if you'd like to just do some quick and easy, you can join me on Tuesdays. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.